Hello guys and welcome back to this video. In this video we will learn about the execution of C++ program. In the previous video we learned how a compiler does the compilation of C++ program, and now we will be doing the execution in the same manner as we did the compilation in the previous video. As you can see, I have wrote the same code that I used for the compilation video. So now let's start the execution of this program. As I told you before, the execution part of a C++ program always starts from here, because the compilation part has already checked for these things, whether they are valid or not. Now the execution part only executes that program that we have written, and which is error free now, as compiler has done the error checking. So let's make a console window here. So this is our console. So execution starts from here, and the execution is done line by line. So what does that mean? Let's see. So the string goes here and then goes here, and then cout displays the string. So it is displayed here. Now how will the next line will be printed on the screen? Let's for now assume that I have written and L here. Sorry, I forgot to write semicolon. Now for execution, as I told you, the execution is line by line. It will go from here, as semicolon is here, it means that this statement is ended right there. So it goes to the next, so it doesn't go from here, it goes from here. So again, a string here, here, then here. This means that first line, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. It doesn't go like 1, then 3, then 2, then this. It goes line by line. This is called line by line execution. So this, then this, then Kashif loves C++, and after that return 0, and then the 0 is transferred to int main, and this means that if 0 is returned to int main, this means that the program has successfully ended. So this is all about the compilation and execution of C++ program. In the next video, we will learn about the basic types, data types of C++. So take care till then, we'll meet again.